Yep, quick Saturday night Zoom. I'm gonna keep it short today, guys. No shouting. I'm a bit lazy actually, but work must be work, and it must be done. So, sure. I'm looking at this like next time. How about that? Okay. Okay, cool. I see that. Okay. Oh, Mazi. How's it, my bro? Let's see. We're just waiting for a couple of more people, dog. Yeah, but we'll do like two sessions today, and then maybe we touch base again tomorrow, dog. This one is just a quick one because I don't want to be jewelering too much. But let's see. Let's lay this chart out actually. So single tap rejections, you remember that whole theory, dog? Single tap rejection is daily, yeah? Daily. Let's take it back, folks. Let's do this. Let's replay. Let's see. All the way where? Yeah, let's pull it here. So we're going to be back testing, dog. Yeah. That strategy, so it's a single tap rejection, yeah. Okay, let me add another person quickly. Okay. Yep. Let's go. Okay, niggas. Oh, boy. Didn't sound more.
Awe.
Awe, choose. Bona, rino betha back testing ngenyana ke. Fandache akenya go bolela tse dimbaya o re le nna ke register senyana se sengwe se senyane mara ke re bethe Zoom ke ya choose ka re le nna ona le dilo tse dingwe ke nya go dia sure gore wa bo le spana yang sharp mara okay bobo ashu. All right, so re tlo no tswela pele ka a single tap rejection, yeah. So lo nje i-retire yana mo choose a change.
Okay.
Awe, how's it?
Awe.
Man, I'm out the studio and I'm back home. So back to the work.
Please share. On your life.
Man, I felt bored, dog. I felt like I needed to write something creative, you dig? Outside of the structure set market and everything being set. So
All right.
it was just yeah, you're right, dog. I'm a bit lazy today.
Should I make a lot on Friday? Yo, my day on Friday was hectic. I had school things to do. Ngapha, I had to be somewhere.
Yeah.
I missed the lesson.
I understand completely. I mean, we all have lives outside of this shit too. So the best that we can do is like at least sihlangane when we do, yeah, boy. And I think that that's just it's better than nothing, yeah, boy. So guys, back to the theory. What I did here, TradingView has this function, guys. It has a function where you can replay the price action that has happened on the charts, yeah. What do I mean by that? Currently, see where the price is on GJ. I replay the charts on 145, 146. It's been a while since GJ has come here, yeah, to these prices. So all of the red lines are news, as you can see here at the bottom. They're all news. And basically, keeping it simple, single tap, the single tap that is most relevant to you, or one that is most obvious to you, would be the one that you consider, yeah, because we're all different. We don't see the same things as people. So I would focus on the extremes, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so what I would basically do is just I'm looking for the turning points, guys. Just when you look at it like in terms of a line graph, I'm simply looking for the turning points in the markets, yeah. I'm simply looking for turning points, yeah. All the turning points, these areas are the areas that I want to focus on, yeah. Are the areas where I'm going to be executing from too, yeah. But here we can see that we had sort of a consolidation, yeah, or a failed double bottom. We couldn't sustain the gains up from this point since we broke the neck over here. Let me add Sipo quickly. Sorry, guys. Admit. Okay, we have a full house now. Good. All right. So you're gaining traction, guys. I like this participation, especially on a Saturday. Yeah, most people don't show up on Saturday, and it's important that we do, because then we're not only doing what 90% doesn't do, but we're also just benefiting more. So back to the charts, guys. The turning points are the most important things, are the points where you want to be executing from always and forever. You don't want to be executing from the middle of the range. You want to be executing from where price drops or where price picks up, yeah. And yep, support and resistance, yeah, definitely. So but how do you know that? How do you see those areas? You're looking at wicks. You're looking at a single wick that taps into a price area. Look at this wick. It taps into 139, 89 something, and immediately after that, it created candles above, creating higher highs. Yeah, it didn't break lower than this wick. Price immediately rejected from here. Yeah, and this same process works on every time frame, guys. Every time frame, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly. It's called market structure, guys. It's how the markets move. So the sooner you get with it, the sooner you can start making profits, yeah. So back to it. Here what we see happened here is basically price tried to break this week, yeah. This is why it's important. You have fun with your charts. See what I'm doing here? This is fun for me. Dig. So guys, we have a tap here, and basically price, this candle is trying to break above this area, which historically, when we look left, has been an area where price single tapped once, yeah. So now what we focus on, or what we anticipate by price doing in closing bullish like this and creating a bullish move like this, we anticipate that this area will be retested, and then price will continue up, yeah, bro. But where is it going? We'll look left. There's a single tap rejection in this area, so most definitely the lowest we could go to is this wick, yeah, because it was the wick that single tapped once and rejected. Price went all the way down after that, yeah. So we're looking at that area and we will put our take profits there. That is where our take profits targets are going to be. You don't want to be greedy and aim for the top, because sometimes it doesn't go all the way to the top. So you, and also like look left even more. It corresponds with this area. Yeah, but so just be safe. Don't make sure that you secure the bag first. You know, you don't want to be out here in the charts for nothing, for no reason. So this price, we anticipate that it will reject, since whenever price breaks support or resistance, we need a retest. Yeah, it's called a retest. So we're going to be aiming for the retest and all the way up. Yeah. So let's say we see this happening live. Yeah. And then this candle is probably still open. So we're going to wait for the candle to close. Yeah. I'm going to wait for the candle to wait. Now this is a retest. Yeah. You guys see this? That literally was money. That also could have been money. Just you seeing the fact that price is broken above a historically strong area, definitely was going to come back and retest, and it did. Look at this. This was money too. There's different ways that you can use to make money here, guys. So it's simple market structure basics, man. Once price breaks the structure, it needs to retest and confirm that this structure is actually a weak structure that deserves to be broken. Makes sense. We give price the benefit of the doubt. Yeah, bro. So if it's really strong, then it should withstand the second wave of sellers. Yeah. And the bulls in the market should withhold the support. Yeah, bro. So from here, you anticipate again. And it's okay, cool. Since this candle, this big bullish candle here, this big bullish candle closed the way it did, and the following two candles dropped the way they did, but yet notice again, guys, notice the retest where it is. It aligns when you look left with this wick. Let me drag this out for you guys just so you guys see. Let me move this aside. Wait. Yeah. It aligns with this wick, guys. See? Again, this is why it's important to focus on the turning points. See that this retest, it aligns with this wick. Yep, the lowest point, the single tap rejection areas. Yeah. So now, how would you trade something like this as you see it happening on the charts? Yeah. What you would do is also draw out what you call another arrow here, just to make things simple for you, so you know it's either up or down. Yeah. So draw yourself another arrow here. And then what you will anticipate, again, you're looking at the wicks, yeah? You're focusing on the single tap rejection areas, yeah? So I don't know who dropped, but okay, cool. You're focusing on, it's Mars, irrelevant. So you're focusing on the single tap rejection areas, yeah? This is also a single tap rejection, because after price broke lower, this candle pulled all the way up to retest a left, probably a market structure to the left, yeah? And we can see, like, we can prove these things like on the charts, guys. Like, it's so easy. and it looks like this, basically. Let's put a line here on top of this wick. Yeah, look at this retest. You guys see this candle again?
Yeah.
Yep. Again, it broke above a single tap rejection area. It retested and then it pushed all the way up. Yeah. But how far up is it going to go? Where is it going to turn and turn down? Again, you look at the single tap rejection areas. We have a single tap here. So price will gravitate towards that area here. Yeah. If it doesn't and it closes lower, then obviously we are going to this lowest area. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is everybody with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure, boy.
Yeah. So now I would just take, like, since it retest 80 currently that we're looking at, I would take the immediate left resistance or support structure that was broken, or yeah, but it depends on whether you're going up or down. But I would take the immediate left structure that I can find, you think, and then I would base my stop loss. On that level. Yeah. So since this is the area that we broke from recently, before this bullish move, my stop loss makes sense to be here. Yeah, below this area, just to be safe. This is why you only risk a tiny bit. Yeah, if you enter here and look at this, yeah, look at this. Your stop loss is how many pips? It's basically 17 pips. Yeah, 17 pip stop is not is okay. But we're looking at this like in terms of 4 hours. This is a daily time frame currently, but we use the 4 hours tonight because we don't want to wait a whole fucking day for the money. So you're more than welcome to utilize the weekly, utilize the daily, guys, utilize the hourly. It doesn't matter. But then at the end of the day, retests happen in the markets, and it's important that you can anticipate them and react. Most importantly, react to them in a profitable manner. Yeah. So now back to the retest. What happens after a candle breaks a resistance? This was previously a resistance, yeah. This area here, previously a resistance. How many daily candles? 1, 2, 3 daily candles, 4, 5. They couldn't break above which zone? This line here. Let me switch off these EMAs, dogs. They tripping me out. These EMAs are just not doing the right things for me right now. Let's see. Add, hide. Okay. See. And then we hide. Let's see. Hide here too. Hide. Okay. Yeah. Clean charts, yeah. No indicators, nothing. You don't even need the indicators. But then you are with now it aligns with the same single tap rejection areas, yeah. So you could use these areas, these EMAs, as your stop loss, what you call points and your take profit points. But then you would need to backtest that, obviously, to see just how much you are willing to commit to an idea that an EMA would yield you any substantial profits. So back to this move up. Yeah, we are anticipating. First of all, we have another single tap here. You're marking out these areas, guys. Yeah, as you're trading during the day, as they get formed, as these areas are getting formed, as candles are closing, you are marking them out. Yeah, you so that you are aware of where price might potentially encounter a bit of resistance or a bit of support. Yeah. Okay, and then since we have a big bullish candle here, guys, and we see that price historically, look at this move, yeah, price historically has tried to break above or break below this level, yeah, this level of 143.719, 7114, yeah, 774. Historically, excuse me, price has tried to break below, but then it got rejected here at the 139s, and it pushed all the way up, closing where above. This is me telling a story now, yeah. This is me analyzing the charts, yeah. But each pair, each currency pair, each index, you look at, you're looking for the same thing, because it's market structure, guys. It's price action. You are following price action, yeah. I have an easier way of explaining it, and it makes sense when I break it down to easy, simple, peasy concepts that everybody can grasp, yeah. Because man, I could say this is supply area, and possibly we could like drop lower for illiquidity and fill this minor range here before breaking up this key level of 143.920 and potentially retesting the EMAs, the average price of the past 14 days. But then that's confusing to somebody who just wants to make money. It's confusing, so we keep it simple. Break, retest. Yeah, are we retesting a support, or are we retesting a resistance, or are we rejecting from a resistance? So again, it's all things that it's objective, guys. It's things that you guys can pick and skim through and choose what works for you, you know, taking into consideration your daily duties, your daily responsibilities, and so forth and so on. Yeah, but some people have jobs, yeah, and they have school, you dig. So pick a perspective that best suits your current life and your current circumstance, yeah. So as to make you comfortable when you are taking these trades. You don't want to feel rushed, yeah. You don't want to feel like what you call it, you're forced to work, yeah, but no, you shouldn't be forced. Trading should be stress-free, guys. It should be a hobby, yeah, but especially if you're in school now, treat it as a hobby, like something like basketball, dog, yeah, bro. Whereas with Wednesday is the only time that you pull up, or like practice, and then the nice thing is you get paid for this. You saw bonus. Back to this trade, guys. So stop loss, Sammy. Let me change the color of this so we see that it's a fucking stop loss. And then my take profit would be where at this area, yeah, this area. Let me change the color of this line too. Just, yeah, this area, okay? Stop loss is here below this immediate left minor zone, yeah. Price structure here to the left. You could pick, like, guys, you could pick the lowest point of the previous candle, yeah. Like if this candle closed like this and another candle forms here, you could use this low as your lowest point and move your stop loss just 10 pips below this point, yeah. Like same. This price is 143. Let me move this aside quickly. 143.432, yeah. You could just add 10 pips or minus 10 pips from that and say, okay, cool, I want my stop loss at 140.20, yeah, 140.20. And then you drop it down, you take just a little bit, because you don't want to be risking your whole fucking account. Yeah, but this is a daily time frame. That's why I'm giving it the benefit of the doubt, and you need to let your trade breathe. Give your trade a breathing room. Don't be too quick to put in stop loss to break even. No, you're gonna hurt yourself. You're gonna pop out of positions that are profitable for days. Like I'm reviewing like the VIX that Usipo has been trading, dog, and I'm just like, yo, that thing just needs you to hold it for a week, bro. Just 1 week. Yeah, but try trade Monday year again, dog, and you're done. You dig? That's over $300 to me. Yeah, bro. In a proper market movement, yeah, VIX 0.01, 0.02 over a week is more than flipping $500. You dig? It's a lot of volatility. It's called the volatility index for a reason. It's the easy way out. It's a cheat. So anyways, man, it's nice though. Yakoka boy. Yeah, so man, let me check out. Okay, I also had, okay, I wanted to also go through a ranges. What is the range? We have established that this is the highest point here that prices went when we look left to in relation to where price is now. Here is where price is now. We look left and we see that this is the highest point. This is the what you call it. Let me move this out of the way quickly. And then move this aside too. Yeah, okay, cool. We see that this is the highest point, guys, yeah, when you look left from where price is currently. And with that being said, from the highest point to the lowest point is your range, yeah. This whole area, let me just rule it out for you guys. This whole area is your daily range, yeah. It is an area in price. It is a number of it is a range of prices, yeah, that has constricted our price movements for the past, I don't know how many days or how many hours. It depends on what time frame you're looking at, but it's the same thing through every time frame, yeah. So from this, I mean, and this is the thing that I wanted to get across to people. A daily time frame is important, guys, yeah. The only reason this week happened is because there was this week here, and previously we had rejected from it. Yeah, we had this week. Let me drag this thing down. We had this week previously, and then we retested that week, and we now need to fill what this range by us coming down after creating this big bullish movement. This is a big bullish candle, and by us coming down, we created a range for price to fill on the way up. Basically, on the weekly, this is a wick, yeah. This is a wick on the weekly that we can fill when another candle opens, yeah. So you visualize how the next candle is gonna print, and you should come up with something like let me just visualize it for you guys. Wait, is too high that there. Me undo, and then draw that again. You visualize just as simple as you can, you know, keep things simple for yourself. And we discussed that in order for price to continue up, it shouldn't drop lower than this point. Yeah, let me zoom in. Let's see if I can zoom in. Let me put a line here at the top too. Yeah, top wick, just matching it with this one here. Yeah, so in order for our buys to be valid, price should not drop lower than this point and close lower than that point too. Yeah, but it's important for price not to close lower than the previous candle's low if we're going up, and it's important for price not to close higher than the previous candle's high if we're going down. And I explained this concept on my Instagram, my IGTV quick what you call analysis on GJ before I took the trades that I took. So in order for price to continue down, it should respect the previous candle's high. Yeah, angithi candle, we have an open, we have a high, we have a low, and we have a close. Yeah, your open in terms of a bearish candle it will be lower than the previous candles. Yeah, well, we have a big bullish candle. It opened here. Let me zoom in because this needs it needs a close up. Big bullish candle. Yeah, we opened here. Yeah, and then we try to push down. Why do I start here and say we try to push down? Because it ultimately closed bullish. Yeah, if it was bearish, then the bearish candle opened here. It tried to push up but left a wick. It couldn't sustain those gains up there, and then it dropped lower. You dig? And in order for us to continue down, price should not break above this high of this candle in order for us to continue down. Where are we going to go if we're going down? You look left, we have a single tap rejection in this area. Yeah, one candle here tapped and rejected, and then you see that maybe we might come here. You dig? So stop loss comfortably would be lower than 139,500 to 139,600 if you're really scared. But hey, when you mix mix this with market timing and volatility and knowing exactly when the volume is coming in terms of market opens and market closes and market session what you call intersections where one market is closing and the other is opening, or in the middle of there's different times of volatility. So single tap rejection, if we're going down, we might possibly come to this area. If we're going up, we might possibly come to this area first before we break higher to these ones. Yeah, to these single tap rejection areas. Yeah, so if we are going up again, if we're going up like we anticipate here, then price should respect the low of this candle. Yeah, price should not break lower than this candle's lowest point because we're going up. It doesn't make sense for us to break the low and create a lower low instead of creating a lower high. Yeah, it makes sense. Lower lows and lower highs. Yeah. Yep. So it wouldn't make sense for price to create a lower low instead of a lower high in order for us to be going up. Remember, this is how the uptrend works: lower lows and lower highs. Wait, it's lower highs and higher highs actually for uptrend, and then downtrend it is lower lows and lower highs, because this is what I'm basically saying. Lower lows, let me just lock this quickly. Lower lows, this is a lower low, and then this would be the lower high for a downtrend. Yeah, and then this again will create a lower low, and and then so forth, and then price would again create what you call it or create again another lower high, lower high, and then again a lower low, downtrend. Yeah, the uptrend, you flip the shit upside down, guys. Do I need to draw it out? Nah, I mean, I'm not gonna draw this out. This is too basic now. But yeah, it's zigzag here too. basically what price is doing here, this move down and this move up. This move up is a retest of this broken move, of this broken price level. Yeah. This move down and this move up. This move up is a retest of a broken level to the left. Let's put a line here. Yeah. So guys, let me remove this one. And then this move down again, it's bouncing from somewhere. Yeah. And it should what you call push up to retest this broken area. Yeah. How do we know this is a broken area? Because historically, when you look left, it has had a wick here at the bottom, like we are anticipating, like guys, it has had a wick here at the bottom. It has had a wick here at the bottom. You dig? So again, same market structure basic here, guys. Yeah, well, it left a wick here at the bottom, and then it tried to push up. How far up is it gonna go? You look at where it turned previously when you look left. Is it making sense? And then if we're going up, you look at again, let me just draw it since it's better to see it, yeah, boy. Wait, hold on, man. Right now, okay. And then we continue, what you call it, up. And then we continue up here. Okay, cool. Add an arrow. Again, it's the same thing that's happening here, yeah. Just move this aside quickly. Remove that. We're breaking lower, and we are retesting. Like what's happening here? See this move here? This move is exactly this. We have a candle. We have a candle that broke a historically strong price level, because we've seen by the wicks that it's a strong price level. And what has happened is price has broken it above now, and it has retested. So what will happen is it needs to push up. And look at what happens, guys. Let's play this. Stop loss is test language. Okay, wait. Hold on, GJ. You're rushing. But already, guys, this is a win to me. This bullish candle coming up all the way to this turning point here that we had before we came down for the retest, it would have been a win for me. I would have been out here, you dig? Because I don't want the whole fucking move up. I just want what's mine, and I dash. I want something calculatable. I want something precise. I want something concrete. I need something in the standard that will never change. Yeah, boy. That I know for sure is gonna work. Like the only difference comes with a volume, guys. Literally about Monday, the only volume I'm gonna be using is 0.10. You dig? And this is on a $70 account. Yeah. Because man, 0.10 to me makes sense. I want $10 from this move up. Poof. There's one daily move up. I want $10. Okay, now it's 10 minutes yet. So now we need to get to the juicy stuff. Yeah. So I want $10 per trade. You dig? And 10 pips, 0.10 will give me $10. You've seen me do this, Sipo. You've seen me do this and run up the account to $200 using the same thing. But I also lost it the same way. You know why? Because the example. So we continue, dog. We continue. I'm gonna pay you back all the money too. Wait. Look at these candles. Wait. Look at these candles. Just, oh my god, guys. Shit, man. Let's clean out this drawing now. Let's see what can we move here. Oh yeah, we can press and delete these things. Shit, I forgot about that on Trading View. And then let's unnote, maybe erase this thing here. Yep. Yeah. So this is it daily. The higher the time frame, the stronger the confluence of the zones, the stronger the confirmation. The higher the time frame, the more volume you should be blasting, niggas. Because once you see a plot play out like this, play out exactly like how you envisioned it on the higher time frames, it doesn't make sense for you to be playing small, guys. We know what happens after this. We know exactly what happens. Anything small right now would be just because the account is small and you don't need to be risking a lot. Otherwise, you'll get stopped out. Yeah, bro. Because this move down, if you bought here where this candle closed, and you didn't wait for the full retest and then close above like this bullish candle, which is what you're supposed to do. Wait until we have a big bullish breakout of that minor resistance area here, which is always created by Ilentoza. Error retest. We always create a minor resistance. Look left again. You notice the similarities, guys. Look at these wicks. Look at these wicks. Look at these wicks. Look at these wicks. You guys see what I'm trying to say? Does it make sense? I don't want to spell it out for you guys.
Yeah,
but the
it
wicks
does.
are where, but the wicks are where the money is, guys. Yeah, well, so again, we anticipated where is this thing gonna go up till this point, yeah, up till this point, and then look at what happened, guys. Should continue. If not, it would reject or retesting this area. Okay, cool. Wait a minute. Wait, hold on. Where is price now? It's so simple, nah? So fucking easy, guys. You guys owe me 5,000 rands each. After you guys fucking make millions, you owe me 5,000 bucks each. I'm telling you on God, niggas, I will come looking for you guys. I will come looking for you guys. But anyways, man, that's the price of my lessons now. It's 5K or fuck off. So anyways, man, guys, price will continue to push. But already look at the top of the EMA too. Yeah, boy. EMA has been tapped nicely. We also see that here, the area that we marked out, yellow area, single tap rejection. That might be where the retest might end before we continue to push up. Yeah. So maybe you retest there to single tap rejection again. It tapped once this price, yeah, 147, 171, and then it rejected immediately. Went down. Yeah. So what will happen? It will need to retest that area sooner or later. And then this candle, I'm skimming through it now because I want to restart another Zoom quick, just talk about psychology. Yeah. This candle broke this area that we have distinguished as a single tap rejection area. Yeah. And what will happen is price will try to push up, continue to push up all the way to 147 722. Who's this? Hello? Yeah. I'm on Zoom, nigga. I'm on Zoom. Yeah, nigga, but I'm gonna send you a link when I restarted. I only have 5 minutes left. I'll call you back now, dog. I'm in the middle of something. I'll call you back now. Literally. Sure. No flopsy. Okay. So we anticipate again, guys, stop loss is the same principle that I explained here. Yeah. In order for price to be going up, it must not be closing lower than this point. Not be closing lower than this point, not be closing lower than this. You see how these are higher highs and higher lows. This low is higher than this low. And this low is higher than this low. Yeah. This low is higher than this low. You dig? So what you could have done as a smart person is, since you saw that retest happening, you wait for your big breakout candle out of that area, out of that support area, or out of that resistance area. You wait for a big confirmation candle, and then you get the retest down. You wait for confirmation candle, and then you get the retest up. You don't want to be caught down here. You would get stopped out. Yeah, but if your volume is 0.10 like me, you would get stopped out. You dig? So that's why if you want to go big on volume, use a smaller time frame. You don't want to be exposing your account to getting fucked over a daily time frame. You dig? So again, let me just play this and just it continues. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, wait. Wait, hold on, GJ. Where is this price? Exactly here. Oh, it's a miracle. So amazing.
So simple.
Oh, my brother. I don't know. Look at where price is now. It continued even after. And this is it daily, dog. This is it daily. This is... Guys. Yeah, yabo le licula engiculayo. Ligcina selingibhora, guys. Ligcina sengiyithulela. Literally, I understand now why niggas is just quiet, yabo. I get it now, yabo. Cause once you try to explain something so simplex, it's not simple. It's simplex, yabo. There's an element of complexity about it, but it's so simple.
About it, yeah.
Yeah, yabo. So again, we hit our target here and we were done. Yeah, boy, you're out of the markets. And then again, look at where price is now. Since we are here, looking left, we have a single tap rejection here. And historically, what have we done? We have rejected lower, yeah, from this area. So what will happen now is I will take an impulse sell, yeah, counter trending all of this upward movement, yeah, and put my stop loss again, highest point, just above it, yeah. Stop loss, and then I'm having sales now, yeah. These are sales. I'm anticipating where is price gonna go. It's gonna go all the way down to this wick. Since we have a single tap rejection, we created this single tap rejection here now. Created the single tap rejection, and then we left this wick immediately after that candle. Yeah. So price needs to come back all the way down. Yeah. And then we skip. Let's skip this. So it goes down, goes down, goes down. Stop loss, no, still safe. Okay, consolidation, yeah, consolidating, but it hasn't broken above this area. It hasn't even tried to approach my stop loss. And let's see how this thing goes. Oh wait, okay, cool. Yeah, now we're going to test all of these things, and it's from the previous weeks that we have marked out. Do I see that?
Yeah.
I'm glad you guys see it. Look at this now. You guys see this? Where is this thing going? Where is it going? Where is it going?
Yeah, I get.
Where is it going?
Down.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. All right. What happened there?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm done with y'all. We have less than a minute anyways. Let's speak about psychology next. This is too simple, man. Fuck this. Let's speak about psychology next. I'm gonna send out the link. 40 minutes again. This is the last 40 minutes, and hopefully you guys will have by tomorrow. You should have your own currency pairs. At least top 5 for the week that you're going to be looking to trade. Just the same process that we've just done, guys. Yeah, same process. So as I'm showing it to you, it works. So why are you not making money?
We're coming.
Yeah, I use it.
We're on the way.
Yeah. Please. Usipo is done. Usipo, I don't even need. He's just refreshing. I'm not refreshers now, Usipo. Dog. But anyways, man. Okay, cool. This thing is gonna end now. Let's restart and talk about psychology. Yeah.